So you're looking to get started on Etsy, but you have no idea what types of products to sell that are going to make you money? Let's talk about it. Choosing what to sell on Etsy in 2024 is a little bit more complicated than it used to be back in like 2015. Like when I first started my first shop, I was creating these little canvas paintings with sorority letters on it, and man, those were the simpler times. Etsy has become a lot more saturated with sellers and shoppers, thankfully. What's important these days when it comes to selling on Etsy is looking at things like trends, analytics, and data to better decide what to sell. If you really want to have great success on Etsy and potentially in a short amount of time, taking the time to do this research and looking at what's trending is going to help you have a shop that will stand out and make a lot more money a lot faster. So what are some of these trends and things that are really popular right now and make for great shops? Let's talk about it. Number one is going to be sustainable and eco-friendly shops. This has become a much larger movement across America and across the world as people are really taking the time to think about living a more sustainable lifestyle. As a seller, creating products or things that can help people live a more sustainable lifestyle, or products that are just eco-friendly in general, are going to both be fantastic keywords and trends and topics that you'll want to include for items in your Etsy shop. Items like reusable shopping bags, zero waste essentials, upcycled or recycled clothing. Those are all fantastic examples of things that fall into this niche market that could be very potentially great sellers for you. Number two, Etsy's tried and true is personalized and customized items. If you want to stand out in any niche on Etsy, find a way to customize it or personalize it. This is the best way because people know they can come to Etsy for these customized gifts and products and things that they can use. It's a fantastic way to help your business stand out. Now, you can offer just ready-made things that aren't customized, but then have a customized option available. And I would not be surprised if it was your top seller in your shop. Since Etsy has said themselves very recently that they are focusing on becoming the known website and shopping choice for gift givers, this is going to be something that you want to prioritize offering in your Etsy shop. That customization is perfect for gift giving in pretty much any situation. So if you can find a way to make your products fit into this category, you are likely going to see a lot more sales. Next is digital downloads and printables. Etsy is one of the very few platforms that is allowing people to sell these digital downloads and printables, and people know that they can come to Etsy for that. Digital downloads can vary incredibly, you guys. There are so many different ideas out there. Actually insane how many options you now have. Starting a digital download shop or a printable shop is going to be a really great form of passive income for you to be making. Since digital products have become a lot more popular, I would recommend that you find niches or products that are a little less saturated though, so that you can stick out and really solve a problem for somebody who is looking for something to easily download. Some of the most popular digital download type of items are wall art, digital planners, digital art of any kind, SVG and PNG artwork files, and templates for everything. So find your niche, find a product that is unique and one that maybe you even have a bit of knowledge and background on, and you could definitely be finding a really great source of passive income through this trend. On the note of digital products, I wanted to let you guys know that I have recently launched my Etsy shop planner. This is a digital download planner that you guys can use to either print out your physical sheets or use on your phone, iPad, or computer and help you organize your Etsy shop and your Etsy business. It has over 40 pages included in it, and it's a super simple download for you guys to use and have as a resource as you're building out your business. If you guys want to go and give it a check out, I will have it linked up here as well as down below for you in the description and pinned at the top comment. The next category that is trending a lot on Etsy right now are wellness and self-care products. This includes things like aromatherapy, handmade skincare, candles, wellness kits, and things centered around physical health. Now you can combine this with digital products and figure out ways to make things like journals to help in these situations, or you could just offer the physical product as well. Make sure you are meeting specific guidelines though if you're going to be creating a product that people are going to be putting on their skin and things, because you want to make sure that you're not going to be causing problems with that. The next category is home decor and organization. People love to come to Etsy for unique home decor finds. If you can find a way to create unique products that people can have in their home as decor or functional pieces, this is a fantastic opportunity to stand out and make sales. I find a lot of people who have these kind of fun and funky pieces in their home or artwork tend to go to Etsy for a place to find those pieces. It's not going to be what you found at Target or what you can go down to Walmart and buy every single day. It's going to be those fun conversational pieces or customized pieces that people can ask questions about when they come to a home. Handmade furniture also kind of falls in this category, and I literally have been telling my own brother that he needs to get on board with this because y'all, there is money to be made on Etsy when it comes to home decor, furniture, and organization. I'm telling you, go and type it into the Etsy search, see what items come up, see what you already have the ability and skills to make or can find suppliers for, and give it a shot. I mean, Print on Demand even offers a ton of home decor options as products that you can literally put in your shop, and you don't even have to have inventory for it. It's insane. The next category is going to be vintage and retro items. These things have really been coming back in style, whether it's clothes or home decor, accessories, etc. People again are looking for high quality pieces these days that are going to last, and a lot of times that falls into the vintage and retro category. These pieces tend to be a little bit more sustainable as well because they are made of higher quality materials versus something that you could just pick up at Target today down the road. If you have a lot of knowledge on what vintage pieces are, who the branding is, and kind of the background story on them, you really could create a unique store centered around those things. And people are gonna love knowing like, oh my gosh, I got this unique piece from Etsy and it's a 1920s vintage lamp. I don't know, right? Like there are so many different items out there and things that you could do this with. And again, you're gonna wanna find your niche. Like what are you good at? What can you give your expertise on? And what do you have a lot of knowledge on already or can learn a lot about? I would highly recommend for you guys that you do take some time to research these different trends, topics, and categories so that you can actually offer different products in your shop. I think you could even for some of these create a variety of these products in any shop potentially and kind of push towards those trends while they are popular right now on Etsy. Question of the day for you guys. How many of you are already selling something in one of these categories? And if you are, which one is it and what are you selling? Let us know down below. Give me some updates. Do you think that those items sell well for you, or have you found that you have success with something else? Let me know down below in the comment section. I cannot wait to hear from you guys. Right here on the screen for you guys, I'm going to link a video talking about a ton of digital product ideas that are not yet saturated. You're gonna wanna go and check this out if you wanna get into the digital product world. Over here, I'm gonna link an entire playlist full of Etsy related tips and tricks for you guys if you wanna go and watch more. Down here, you guys are gonna find my subscribe button so you can stick around on this channel for more videos. And last but not least, I'm gonna link you guys on over to the Etsy shop planner. If you're building your Etsy shop, starting an Etsy shop, or ready to grow your shop, this planner is gonna help you keep everything organized and on track to do so. Without further ado, guys, that's gonna bring us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.